Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIF's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National and English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, write from our verbs, exercise 5, 6, and article exercise 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's see our today's class. Class 6, subject English second paper, topic article, exercise 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be a comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, and write from our verbs, exercise 5, 6. Term annual, lecture 11, example 10, teacher Ariful Islam. This is the mobile number, messenger ID, and today's date 16/9/20. So let's start the class. Fill in the gaps with the right from verbs in the brackets. Question A and G have a special instruction in the brackets for the use of verbs. So on a sunny day, a young lamb, appropriate verb in progressive form, gladly at the foot of a small hill at that time. So this is the story of past tense, past indefinite tense. Okay. So if the sentence is past indefinite tense, we always use past indefinite tense and past continuous form. So on a sunny day, a young lamb, appropriate verb in the progressive form, you have to find a appropriate verb, and progressive means ing of the verb. So as this is past continuous tense, we will do on a sunny day, a young lamb was grazing, Grazing, was grazing gladly at the foot of a small hill. At the time, he dashed the necessity of drinking water. So fail opposite is fail, past form is failed. He failed the necessity of drinking water. So he dashed begin to took the to and fro in order to find out water. So it began, as this is past indefinite tense, passes. Then it find a little stream coming down from the top of the hill. So here we will write found. It walk in past form there to drink water. So past form of walk is worked. A wolf dash live in the bush of the hill. So past form of live is lived. He won some reasons dash come out of the bush. So past tense of come is came. He dash within himself, what a healthy lamb it is, its flesh would be very nice, so I shall make a good meal of it. So past form of thing is thought. Okay, so as this passage is past indefinite tense, so all the tenses will be past tense. Number 6, once upon a time, this passage is also indicates the past indefinite tense, past tense. Once upon a time, there was an honest and pious man named Abu bin Adam. Once he sleep in the past continuous tense peacefully. So past continuous tense as subject is he, we will use he was sleeping peacefully. Suddenly he dash wake up and see suddenly an angel writing the name of the persons who dash God. So past form of wake is woke. Suddenly he woke up and saw. Past form of see is saw an angel, and past form of love is loved. He dashed on him whether his name, he inquired on him whether his name used to be verb there. So he past form of inquiry is inquired, Q-U-I-R-E-D, and whether his name to be means am is to be means am is are where. So as past tense we will use was or were. Am is are, was, and were. So his name, that's why here will be was. His name was there. But the angel that say no, your name is not there. So past form of say is G number said. He then dash request to put his name in the list because he loved mankind and his fellow brethren. So past form of say is said. So we have finished right form of verbs. Let's go to the article. Dash December is a red letter day in dash history of Bangladesh. So here identifying definite the 16th December. Why the 16th December is a red letter day in the history of Bangladesh. If you find of and word before always will be the in the history of Bangladesh. On this day we achieved victory at again of word the at the cost of a bloody battle. Bangladesh came into being as an YN. The word starts with vowel. Independent country. It occupied a place in the world map. So cross. Number 2. I'm not teaching you the rules. You know the rules. Patriotism means love for one's country. Cross. It's a noble virtue. It removes the meanness, the mean-mindedness of. Here is of word and the of a man. It also inspires a man to shed the last drop of word the last drop of blood from the bloody body to defend the freedom of the country. A man developed of patriotic feelings is inferior to the beast. So next one, Rita is going to celebrate her birthday party. So cross. She is arranging a birthday party. She has bought a beautiful dress. She will put on the dress. So here one times of use the noun and again the dress. So it's specified here, definite here. In the evening, the color of word the color of the dress is red. She has invited her friends at the party. Here is a definite identified. She has decorated her room with a lot of flowers. That will be an enjoyable day with a lot of fun. Number 4. Sir, I need to open a saving account. Manager, well, what do you do? Myself, I am a student. Manager, why do you need to open an account? Myself, I have received an amount of scholarship money and I want to keep it with the bank. Manager, I am happy to hear of your scholarship. I encourage you to open the bank account specified here. So you can take again the application form, fill in it with the recommendations of the person. Definite here, all the things are definite. Who has an account with this bank. Thank you. Myself, thank you. So my dear students, let's go to the SW. Okay, SW 10 will be right from verbs exercise 7 and 8, article exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8. So my dear students, we have provided the suggestions through the Google links. You'll go to Facebook page and download this and do the SW. Okay, so the SW10, right from verbs exercise 7, 8, article exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, I'm reading for them who have not collected. Number 5, one day I met lame man. After taking for a while, he showed me dash identity card. Seeing dash identity card, I came to know that he was university student. After completing his study, he joined army. During the Liberation War, he fought bravely against occupying army of the then West Pakistan. But it is dash irony of fate that a bullet of enemies hit on his left leg. This he lost his leg. Number 6, dash sun is a planet. It rises in east and sets in dash west. It is dash source of heat. The setting dash sun presents dash enjoyable scene. Dash moon has no light of its own. It gets light from the sun. Dash starts turning the key. Number 7, dash Japan is a dash industrious. Japan is not dash is rich in natural resources. Dash educated and dash skilled people are her dash great asset. Japan has made progress only by dash deed of hard work. Japan is dash role model of a country like ours. Number 8, Harneet is dash English teacher. He teaches dash English like dash English. He leads dash honest life. He always tells his students that honesty is dash best policy. All dash students respect him very much. We'll go to next page. Fill in the blanks, gaps with the right form of verbs in the bracket. This is also in your solution suggestions. A walk by the river side in the evening dash used to be very useful and pleasant. One dash enjoy not only beautiful sights but also dash take fresh air. Eat dash refresh the mind when one dash take walk by the riverside. The murmuring sound of the river dash fill his heart with sweet melody and help him dash forget his sorrows and sufferings for the time being. The golden rays of the setting sun dash present an attractive sight. Number 8. Trees are our constant companions in our day-to-day life. We dash use them for various purposes. We cannot dash think of our homes, houses, residences, etc. without trees. Trees dash bear a great impact on the climate. If we dash destroy trees at random, one day the country dash turn in the future probably into a great desert. Again, if there be no rain, and as a result the country dash face in the future from a great crisis. Trees dash keep the soil strong. So my class is finished, my dear students. Again I am showing the SW homework 10, submit on Sunday. Write from verbs exercise 7, 8, article exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8. These things we have provided through Google link in your Facebook page, in our school Facebook place, in our school Facebook page. So my dear students, that's all for today. Do your SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBCT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.